For me, the emotion, the father's emotion for his daughter, that was the selling point for me. That how a father dedicates his entire life.
सी वी आर देयर, हमारा काम है स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के उसको परफॉर्म कर देना एंड वी ट्राई टू डू दैट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. हम लेट्स स्टिक टू द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, बट डेफिनेटली एज अ पर्सन या एज एन ऑडियंस, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वॉच आवर शोज, तो ऐसा लगता है अरे यार अच्छा तो था, तो एक कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है यार वो अच्छा था तो क्यों किया, बट देन वी आर मेकिंग इट फॉर द ऑडियंस एज सर सेड.
See, I like to go on set and I like to perform. I'm not there to just make money and just stand in a corner, pack up early, come back home. No, I like to spend time on the sets. I came to Bombay to be on the sets. I like to perform. I like to play those emotions. I like to be challenged.
पहले मुझे सिर्फ चांद का टुकड़ा चाहिए था, मुझे पूरा चांद चाहिए, मैं खुद ही चांद पे जा रही हूँ इसीलिए.
So don't be that stupid. Like, that's the most important decision of your life. Choose your partner very wisely, or just be alone rather. Don't contribute to the population of 140 crores.
I would say people are calling him villain, but at least he's entertaining, at least he's visible, even if everyone is accusing him or saying anything or he's doing anything. He's giving masala, he's giving content, he's doing well.
For me, the emotion, the father's emotion for his daughter, that was the selling point for me. That how a father dedicates his entire life to his daughter's success, to his daughter's dream. So that was the selling point for me. And also the writer of the show is she's a very fine writer, and I knew that she was going to make a good shot of it.
For you, Aditi?
Same for me, yeah. I think the emotions and then the writers and the production. I worked with them before. Four Lions is a brilliant production house. I was excited to work with them again. And Rajata ji is a brilliant writer. So that's where actors like, okay, the story is interesting. All the stories initially are very interesting, but is it going to be as interesting and intriguing for a long time? When the writers and the production is amazing, so that stays for a longer duration. So I was excited.
See, everything happens keeping the audiences in mind. So everything is for their entertainment. So in the story, what the producers and the writers they have in mind, if it is not received well, so they do run in all different directions to make sure that that the ship doesn't sink. But that happens when your writer is not very confident of his or her own script.
Yeah.
Here we have a writer who's very confident. The story is very nice. They have a long story in mind, and the whole support system is very nice. That the channel is supporting all the way, and I'm sure they're not going to change the story in near future. But then also if they do that, that is only keeping audiences entertainment in mind. So the intention is always for their entertainment. So when that happens, I don't think they should be blamed.
सी वी आर देयर, हमारा काम है स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के उसको परफॉर्म कर देना एंड वी ट्राई टू डू दैट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. हम लेट्स स्टिक टू द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, बट डेफिनेटली एज अ पर्सन या एज एन ऑडियंस, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वॉच आवर शोज, तो ऐसा लगता है अरे यार अच्छा तो था, तो एक कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है यार वो अच्छा था तो क्यों किया, बट देन we are making it for the audience, as sir said. So if they are getting entertained in that, we show that, because eventually it's...
See, when they change the story, I don't think actors mind as much as when they change the character. Story line change hota hai, koi baat nahi hai. When they change the character and they say, listen, I have been building up this character in this way, and now all of a sudden you making me do something, it does break your heart. But then again, you find a middle ground, and then the show must go on, and then it's a team, it's a teamwork. So when the team takes a decision, then you stand by it.
Yeah, by God's grace, people are loving it. They're very excited, and everybody's been saying this looks something different and promising. So we are excited to deliver, and we really, really hope that people love it.
Yeah, people are as excited, and they also kind of they they start asking also, like, I hope the show is as good as promo. And so, yeah, the expectations are high. So, and but I think, yeah, the team is going to do a good job. It's the rule. It's always the rule. So, last show that I did, in that the story was of father and son. I was the son. Here, the stories of father and daughter, I'm the father. So it doesn't matter if you're playing the father or a daughter or a son. It's the role. If it's a typical father role, they say like कि all right, like we casting you कि father का role है, आ जाइए कर लीजिए. No, I'm not interested. Father नहीं. Father का नाम क्या है? करता क्या है? उसकी क्या story है? तो अभी now if somebody says like just call the father, like no, I don't want to do that. No, I'm not like father. So नहीं, आपका role क्या है? आपका how much? See, I like to go on set and I like to perform. I'm not there to just make money and just stand in a corner, pack up early, come back home. No, I like to spend time on the sets. I came to Bombay to be on the sets. I like to perform. I like to play those emotions. I like to be challenged in whatever capacity. If it's a father's role, son's role, son's role. You know, but yeah, it has to be author backed. The writer has to be totally, if I ask writer any question about my character, the writer should know. Writer should know exactly what I'm feeling, what's my background, everything. And yeah, if I'm not used in a show, then I would very happily ask the producers to let me go.
पहले मुझे सिर्फ चांद का टुकड़ा चाहिए था, अब मुझे पूरा चांद चाहिए. मैं खुद ही चांद पे जा रही हूँ इसीलिए. Yeah, honestly, it's all about how you feel about a character, and if you have a feeling that I can pull it off, this is my, I can just do this. That intuition, that feeling, whatever comes first, कि ये हो जाएगा. So I go with my intuitions and I just feel that this is a beautiful character, so that helps. And yes, I try my best to choose or to select a different character every time. I don't want to do the same kind of thing. But I also appreciate my work, and I just feel I'm an actor. Whatever comes to me, whatever opportunity it is, so I'm gonna appreciate it. And if I can do it, I would love to do it. Even if it is something similar, that's also fine. But still, I try कि कुछ अलग हो, कुछ अलग हो, कुछ अलग हो. So this is also very different. So I'm very excited to do it. मज़ा आता है कि लास्ट टाइम वैसे घरेलू लड़की की थी, अब इस बार कुछ this is a young role, astronaut बनना चाहती है, पढ़ाकू लड़के. So this is something very different. So I think I enjoy living different lives.
See, there could be only one reason, like we make each other happy. That should be the only reason for everyone to get into a relationship. If you're happy alone, we both were very happy alone. When you came together, we became happier. And that should be the reason, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you're happy alone, just be happy alone. Now, what is the insecurity all about? It's a very short life. 60, 70 years, 80 years at the max. It's a very short trip. When you're here, choose your partner wisely. Be alone. There's no harm in being alone. But if you choose a bad partner, now that's where you become very stupid. So don't be that stupid. That's the most important decision of your life. Choose your partner very wisely, or just be alone rather. Don't contribute to the population of 140 crores. You know. Yeah. So that's the only thing. Two people should make life even better. There should not be any other reason. I don't take an advice from a relative just because that's a relative. A stupid relative is only stupid. No matter how old or young that person is. If somebody is giving you stupid advice, don't listen to it. You have to live your life. You are responsible for your happiness or sadness. So don't. Societal pressure, why? What society is not going to come to my house, knock on my door, and wake me up in the middle of night and say you get married. No, you are entertaining those people. Don't entertain those people. You have to live your life, be responsible, make right choices, or don't make any choice. Let God make it. Let it be organic.
They both are wonderful humans. Yeah, I know them personally, so I know that what a gem of people they are, both of them. And I think they're giving masala and they're entertaining people the way it should be. And they're winning hearts, and I wish them the best. And I hope दोनों में से कोई एक तो trophy उठा ही ले. I
जितना भी
do
आपने
not
देखा है।
watch it, but
Instagram
snippets
पे
on
available,
Instagram. I would say people are calling him villain, but at least he's entertaining. At least he's visible, even if everyone is accusing him or saying anything or he's doing anything. He's giving masala. He's giving content. He's doing well. Thank you for all the love and support. Please ऐसे ही support कीजिए and हमारा show ज़रूर देखिएगा आप अलीना 3rd of December से रोज़ शाम 6 बजे प्यार देते रहिए.